Welcome back. And well, I made this video several weeks after making that previous video. And in the last video, I mentioned some of the 5 things that cause traders to get frustrated about the business. So I want to be taking it one after the other. And before we do that, let me also remind you of this. See, nothing in life comes easy. If you see someone who is successful, who is doing well, go and check. The person is working harder than the average person. So if you want a more than average result in Forex, you need to work harder than the average person. You need to put in more effort, more commitment in order to get the result. Now, as your mentor, as your coach, my desire is that I guide you, I hold you by the hand, and we do it together. And you see, we celebrate success together. Now, I will need your input because this is a problem I've seen for years as a coach. We have a category of students that they won't even budge. They won't ask me questions. They won't let me know what is going on. It's when things get worse. That's when they will now say, somebody told me this, I gave my money to this person, or I traded this. You didn't tell me when you were depositing the money into the account. You didn't even seek for my advice when you wanted to fund the account and you were entering the trade. You didn't even share your analysis of these trades with me. It's when you crash the money, that's when you now tell me that coach, this business I don't think is real. I put this money. You did not carry me along all the things you were doing. You did all the wrong things, and after you have gotten the bad result, that's when you now tell me that okay, this is what happened. Forex is not real. So I don't want that to happen again. So if you have not done something like that already, and you are hearing this and you are about to do it, stop. Don't do it. Carry me along. That's the reason why you chose me as your mentor, isn't it? Because you trust my judgment. So if somebody is giving you sugar-coated promises elsewhere, don't listen to them. Let me know what is going on, and I have your interest at heart. I'm telling you the truth. So that's one. Then number 2, if you have already done it, we are all human beings and we make mistakes. That is the past. So leave the past behind you and step forward. Step forward to the great things that are ahead. And 2023 is coming very, very fast. I'm doing this on the 8th of December 2022. And I'll continue adding to this video resource because I actually want those who have been our students for long and have not done much. I want them to move further. I want them to make progress, and that's why I'm doing all this. So I want you to don't just beat yourself up because of what has happened in the past. Just refresh your knowledge. Start from your month 1 again. If you have completed the program, if you have paid for the entire program, start from month 1 again. And if you did month 1, you did not even finish your training, you quickly overshot the thing, and you put money in Forex without finishing your training. Now do the right thing now, right? Go back to month 1, do month 2, do month 3, finish the training, do the right thing, and don't put any substantial money in the business again. Follow the direction I'm giving you, and you will do well in the business. Yeah, it's a big promise to be saying that to people, but actually I want people to do well. Do you know why? Because in the next 10 years, in the next 20 years, I want you to see me as the few that you met in your life that truly made that impact, that positive impact. And that's more precious and important to me than any other thing. But I know there's some category that say, coach, what you are saying, I'm not really interested in that. Well, I can't help everybody. I know that. But as much as possible, those who I can help, I will definitely try my best to help them. So that being said, let's now go to what I have for this class, this particular video. Now, I said there are 5 basic things that make people do the wrong decisions, or let me say 6 basic things anyway. It's 5, but I'm going to add more to it. That makes it 6. The first thing I said is you are trading with the wrong pairs, the wrong currency pair. A wrong currency pair to trade with this week could be the right currency pair to trade with next week. So you need to know when a pair is not a good pair to trade and when that pair is a good pair to trade. You'll be able to identify that. I said wrong lot size. That is your capital and your lot size, they don't match. Wrong stop loss is also there. I talked about trading the wrong setup is also there. Then wrong capital. You want to trade with $20, you want to trade with $10, all that kind of thing. Wrong capital is also there. So let's go to the wrong pairs in this video. Now, I want to use GBP USD as a case study. Since September, October and November, GBP USD has been doing some strange things, even from the month of September. So let's have a look at GBP USD. Okay, so this is my chart and this is GBP USD. I'm actually in a trade in GBP USD right now on the 8th of December 2022. Now, this pair is supposed to sell since. Talk about fundamental, is supposed to sell. Talk about technical, is supposed to sell. But some strange things are happening. And because of that, I stayed away from that pair for a while. And I entered another trade on the pair. That was when? That was yesterday. No, day before yesterday. Which went to my favor. You see this bearish candle. Then went against again. And you see another bearish candle followed me here. So it's not easy to predict. This trade is just acting strange. And USD card as well. Look at USD card. This is the daily chart I'm looking at here. Now, this is difficult to enter. This is a trade that is difficult to enter because you remember the setup I told you. You can't say this is a railway track. It's not a railway track. You can't enter. So you stay away. So most of the pairs I'm looking at here, the best thing is to stay away. So I stay away. Even there are some weeks that you decide not to trade because the opportunity is not there. So it's when you see the correct setup, and that's when you risk your money on it. For instance, there are people that also like trading gold. Say, gold will give you faster profit. Gold can also give you faster losses. Yeah? So you have to look for the right setup. If I see a nice setup in gold, why won't I trade it? I will trade it. But you don't force the market to give you profit. You wait for the opportunity before you enter the trade. Like, look at gold now. I can't enter a trade in gold yet. Okay, this is a weekly chart. Let me turn it to daily. You see, there's no opportunity to trade here. Remember what I taught you in that video, what to look for before entering a trade. I believe all students have watched that video. If you have not watched that video, send me a WhatsApp message on 0818-599-0414. I'll send the link to that video. What to look for before entering a trade. It's very important that you watch that video. And I'm not sure. I don't want to make promises in this video. I don't know whether I should put the link to that video below this video. That is that video, what to look for before entering a trade. It's a very important video I want you to watch. So if I didn't put it below this video, just send me a WhatsApp message and I will send it to you. Don't trade all setups. Now, I don't use indicators and I don't expect you to be using all these indicators, Bollinger, moving average, all this stuff. I don't believe in putting all these indicators on your chart. Your chart will now look like a spider cobweb. That doesn't cut it. So if you don't understand the analysis I explained in your month one, you just let me know. I'll explain further. Then if you did month one, you have not done month two, you have not even started. Because what you have in month one is foundation knowledge. It's in month two that I explain how you can now add what you learned in month one to another advanced strategy, which makes sense. By the time you get to month two, trading will make sense more to you. If you are in month three, you understand what I'm talking about. Because if you understand support and resistance and you don't understand the wave cycle, what do you understand in Forex? And you understand railway track, you don't understand how to match everything together to pick the correct trades. That means you have not really gotten the key understanding of what we are talking about. So if you a lot of my students, they do month one and they just run away. But when you do month two, you understand what I explained in month two. Month two is sweet. If you are in month three or you are in month two, and you know any of our students who is in month one, tell them, see, month two is sweet. When you are in month two, month three will make more sense to you. So that's how we structure this training, so that you understand it, you'll be able to implement it and get results. So I hope you're able to understand now that it is not all setups you trade. It's not every day that you trade. It's not every week that you trade. When you see things are not going the right way, wait, stay away from the market. You have other important things you want to do, And if you don't have any other thing you should do, talk to me. There are other businesses you can do apart from Forex trading. So that you'll be doing that one side, you'll be trading Forex the other side, so that you won't be over trading. So that is the key thing I want to share in this video. I don't want the video to be too long. So let me just stop here. So I'll still be adding more video to this series, because this series is for those who are already members. And I want you to be getting in touch with me. Let me be knowing what is going on. That is what the work of a mentor, that's what mentoring means. This is not a training. This is a mentoring program. So I hope you're able to get some nuggets from this video. You'll hear from me again very soon. Have a fantastic Christmas, and I wish you Happy New Year in advance. I want to be the first person to wish you Happy New Year. I know nobody has said Happy New Year yet, but I'm wishing you Happy New Year in advance and a Merry Christmas in advance. Bye for now.